Hello, YouTube fans. I am X-Ray Man. Today we're going to be discussing animal cruelty. I heard a few weeks ago on a local news channel a woman throwing around a little Yorkshire Terrier against a wall. Want to explain this to me? Is it just feel like you have to have power on an innocent little lovable creature? These little lovable animals don't do anything but show love, but you want to throw them around. I like you to come throw me around once in a while, you know? Ah, I think I think these people got some serious issues. We need to take them outside, maybe leave them in the woods, tie them up in some tree forest area. I don't know, maybe even put some peanut butter on them and let the animals take vengeance on them. I think we should have a blast with them. Don't want to be cruel back to the humans, but they can pick it on a bunch of little puppies or a bunch of little kittens. What do? They purr, they roof. You're gonna get disgusted about the noise. Hey, what do you think? I don't know. What about these other people with the animals? What are they doing? Chaining them up and leaving them in the backyard? Animals have rights too. Think we should go against these people and stand up to them. All right, two wrongs don't make a right. But I am X-Ray Man. I will find you, and I will come out of a closet, and I can throw you around, but I won't throw you around. I will make you squirm. I will pour hot water on you. You animal cruelty monkey heads. I will find you. Yeah. Please comment below. Anybody have some tasks or people we should be harassing? All right, maybe we can't harass them, but we can piss them off a little. I am the X-Ray Man.